Rejection is a part of life, especially in dating. Weak men take rejection personally, while alpha males see it as a learning experience. This video will show you why rejection should not shake your confidence and how handling it correctly can make you stronger and more attractive. Before we go into the points, let us have a deal that you will like this video and subscribe to this channel at any point you find the video very interesting or agree to a particular point made. Otherwise, you can still like the video and subscribe to this channel for no reason, just to support us. Let us now go into details. 1. Alpha males stay composed. Alpha males understand that rejection is not about their worth. They stay calm and composed. When a woman says no, they do not beg or argue. Instead, they respect her decision and move on. This confidence leaves a lasting impression. Weak men, on the other hand, react emotionally. They may lash out or complain, which makes them look insecure. Women respect men who handle rejection like leaders. Staying composed shows emotional strength, and women find that attractive. Rejection does not define you. How you respond does. 2. Rejection fuels growth. Alpha males view rejection as a chance to grow. They analyze what went wrong and use it to improve. Maybe their approach was off, or the timing was wrong. Instead of blaming the woman or themselves, they focus on lessons learned. Weak men, however, dwell on rejection. They beat themselves up or give up entirely. This mindset holds them back. Growth comes from failure. Every rejection brings you closer to success. By embracing rejection, alpha males become better men and more effective in their pursuits. 3. Alpha males do not chase validation. Rejection does not faze alpha males because they do not seek validation from others. Their confidence comes from within. They know their value and do not need approval to feel good about themselves. Weak men, however, base their self-worth on external validation. Rejection crushes them because they rely on others for confidence. This makes them appear needy and desperate. Alpha males avoid this trap by staying focused on their purpose. Women are naturally drawn to men who are secure and self-assured. 4th, rejection filters the wrong people. Alpha males see rejection as a filter. It helps them avoid wasting time on women who are not a good fit. Not everyone will appreciate your value, and that is okay. Weak men try to force connections, even with women who are uninterested. This behavior is exhausting and unproductive. Alpha males move on quickly and focus on women who respect their energy. By doing so, they attract better matches and avoid unnecessary drama. Rejection is not a loss. It is a redirection towards something better. In conclusion, rejection is not the end. It is an opportunity to grow and refocus. Alpha males handle it with grace, turning it into a tool for success. Weak men react emotionally and miss the lessons rejection offers. Embrace rejection as part of your journey. It builds character, attracts respect, and strengthens your confidence. Remember, the way you handle rejection defines your masculinity. Be the man who rises stronger every time. Thanks for watching to the end. See you in our next video.